Hey beautiful, welcome or welcome back. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jeannie. I'm so glad you decided to stop in. And if you're returning, hey girl, hey. I'm actually really excited. So I should be at work today, but yesterday I got my wisdom teeth pulled. I'm actually feeling a lot better than I expected I would. I had a really good surgeon and I'm super grateful for that. But because I got my wisdom teeth pulled yesterday, I had yesterday and today off, and I was sitting on my couch because my toddlers are with my mother-in-law for the day just in case I was in pain. And I saw FedEx come, and the package was my BoxyCharm base box along with the BoxyCharm Luxe box that I do receive in PR for the month of December. Happy December, happy holiday season. I am so excited for the holidays. I don't know about you all, but I think we're gonna start decorating tonight. We might get the tree up, and I am super excited. But for today's video, we're gonna get into my BoxyCharm base box for the month of December. As I mentioned, this box is gifted to me from BoxyCharm, but also I am a BoxyCharm paying customer. I do purchase the premium box every month, and I will be on here to unbox my paid for premium box just as soon as it comes. But today I'm going to film my base box. I'm going to get that up, and then I'm also going to film my BoxyCharm Luxe box and get that up for you all as well. So BoxyCharm base box is where you get 5 full-size products and you get to customize one. When you're getting a box from PR though, you don't get to customize, so you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. Because thank you so much, BoxyCharm. I thoroughly enjoy getting to film these each month. And let's jump into the box. So every single month in BoxyCharm, we do get these little theme cards, and it's going to have a theme for the month. And then on the flip side, it's going to have all of the products that are in your variation, along with the retail value and a little bit of information about each product as well. So for this month, it is "'Tis the season for being extra." Well, your girl likes that. So we've got like the black and white and the red. And then on the flip side, we've got all my products. So let's jump right in. The first product retailing for, is that $28? $28 is the Dominique Cosmetics Unconditional Palette. Now, when it comes to this brand, I absolutely love. I am a fan. For several reasons. Well, I'll let you know. We'll get into that in just a second, but I want to pull the palette out now. I love seeing this brand in the box, and the packaging on this is absolutely stunning. It's reminding me of what I have on my eyes today. It's sitting right here because I'm wearing it. This is the Dominique Cosmetics The Moment palette, and I got this in my premium box last month. Absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's easy to make a stunning look with. Love this color right here, and it's just so easy. Now this time this palette's a little bit smaller, but it's also got the hard covering like this one does here, like the Moment palette. And here is what it looks like. So to me, this is like a perfect holiday palette with the glitter in there. I cannot wait to play with this. When it comes to Dominique Cosmetics, I love the brand so much because, like, let's be real. So she's an influencer, she's a makeup artist, she's very talented, and she's very loved, but she's also a businesswoman. There are plenty of people out there that would buy whatever she puts out just because it's got her name on it. And if I know that, I know she knows that too. But instead of taking advantage of that, I feel like she really, she's into making sure that the products that she's putting out for us have quality. And this is not sponsored in any way. Believe me, I wish it was, because I love the brand. I also have one of her blushes on today. I have one of her cream blushes. The one that I have on is in the shade Natural Rose. I have all 3 shades that she has of these. Love them. They're beautiful on the skin, especially if you're on the drier side. Love them. I love everything that I've tried from the brand, and I cannot wait to play in this palette. Now, my plan is tomorrow I go in a little bit later to work. It's more like an evening shift. So what I'm planning to do is take both boxes that I'm going to film with today and take everything out and create a look with you guys tomorrow. It'll be a separate video than the unboxing videos, but I'm definitely planning on that, and I'm so excited, and I think this is the palette that I'll use. There is another palette that came in the Luxe box, but I think I'll use this one for the try-on, and then we'll try that other palette out another time. But anyhow, super excited for that. Love seeing her in the box. Next, we've got something from Murad. I love this skincare brand as well, and you guys, this retails for $89. So this is the base box. This box is about $30 now, give or take. But to receive a $90 product in it, and this is also a brand that I know, love, and trust. So we're on a really good start for this box. I absolutely adore this skincare brand, and this time we got the Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I love a good eye cream serum. I'm 37 years old, starting to show a little bit, and I love like really, really good skincare, and especially when it's expensive and it's from a brand that I trust. Love getting it in my box because do I have the money to go pay $90 for a stinking eye cream or an eye serum? Unfortunately, I just don't. I mean, sure, I could save up for it, but getting it in my box is awesome. And so really, really excited for that. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. Cute packaging. And that's a decent amount when we're talking about an eye serum, like in comparison to my hand. So that's cool. I'm excited. This is not something that I have tried from Murad. So getting to try a new product from a brand I know and love. Hey, 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 hey. All right. Next is another brand that I love. I was actually introduced to this brand through BoxyCharm. This is Laruce Beauty. This is a brush set that retails for $38. I have a ton of brushes from Laruce at this point through BoxyCharm and through purchasing extras through BoxyCharm sales. Their brushes are superb, you guys. I absolutely adore them. This is the special edition 3-piece eye brush set. Comes in a cute little envelope. They also did come in individualized plastic packaging. The reason that they're not anymore is because before I started this video, I did take a couple of pictures for Instagram as well. So I wanted to show them off. But the handles on these, I love that they match the palette. I think that is super cute and like put together. BoxyCharm, that was good. It's just like the aesthetic of it. Like, you know, I love it. I just do. And then the handles are kind of like a studded matte feeling. And these are what the brushes look like. All of them are very usable brushes. So I'm really excited for that. And like I said, you guys, if you have not tried Laruce brushes, if you're sleeping on Laruce Beauty brushes, you are missing out. The quality here is superb. Next, from Realher, retailing for $25. This is the Blurring Veil Set Your Goal Setting Powder. Now, to be fair, my holy grail setting powder was discovered through BoxyCharm, and it is the By Terry Hyaluronic Hydra Setting Powder. I am beginning to age, so I've got fine lines, and I'm also very dry skinned. So setting powders for me can be my worst nightmare if it's not the right formula or if I use too much of it. But the By Terry I found through BoxyCharm. It is my holy grail. It is one of the only ones that I can use. But I'm interested in checking it out at the very least. If it's something that I cannot use for myself, I will pass it on to close family or friends. But I do want to give it a try because it says it's blurring, so you never know. It might be good. Now, looking at it, it's not a full translucent. It does look like there is some color to that, so I don't even know if that would work for me. We'll have to see. But I'm curious to see what it says about it. So it's $25 retail value. It says it features an ultra finely milled powder which melt into the skin and set your makeup in place, or to control excess oils. It's completely flashback, so you're not going to get a flashback, and talc free, to give any look some serious staying powder. So to me, that kind of sounds like it might be geared towards oily skin, which I do not have in the slightest. So maybe I'll just hold on to that for a giveaway, or maybe for a Christmas present to like add into like a Christmas bag of goodies for my sister or something. I don't know. I'll have to think about it. In fact, what I'll probably do is I'll probably look up online and see what people are saying about it in reviews. If I feel like it's really geared towards oily skin, I probably won't waste it. I don't want to waste it. So we'll just see. Either way, I think it's a cool thing to get in the box. And then last, but definitely not least, we have the, okay, I don't know how to say this brand. La Paulette Beauty. From La Paulette Beauty, we got retailing for $32. The Vita Yellow Fresh Cleanser. It says it's a one-step vitamin C cleanser that helps to brighten the skin while removing debris and makeup. It's a jelly cleanser, and it contains 88% moisturizing essence to keep your skin hydrated. Well, as I just said, I am dry, so that sounds really cool. I'm excited for that. Cleanser is something you're always going to like continuously go through, at least you should be. That's the packaging on it. That's quite a good size of product. And yeah, especially since it mentions 88% of moisturizing essence to keep you hydrated. This makes me really excited about this and want to give it a go, so I definitely will. And then again, like I mentioned, tomorrow I will be gathering things from both this box and the BoxyCharm Luxe box that I got in PR. And I'll be gathering all of the products, and we'll do a try on, and we'll use as much as we can from the two boxes together. So definitely keep your eye out for that. But yeah, that was my BoxyCharm base box. Again, thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for sending these my way each month. And let me know down below what you thought about this box. I'm actually really excited about this box, and you guys know I'll let you know when I feel like it was a miss, but I'm excited for this. I don't think this was a bad box at all. We've got some really high ticket items in there. We've got some of my favorite brands: Dominique Cosmetics, Murad, Laruce Beauty. It's always going to be a filler product here and there when we're talking about subscription boxes. It's just the way that it goes. But all in all, I think this was a great box. Awesome job, BoxyCharm. I'm going to hop off and film with my Luxe box now.